Hi everyone, it's David France. I want to share with you a quick case study from here in Spain that I thought you would be really keen to see exactly how we put lease options together and flip them remotely. And I've been doing it for many years, and I want to show you an exact case study of one of my clients who's put together a deal and sold it on. He lives 1,800 miles away from his patch where we showed him to find deals, and he flipped this purchase lease option 1,800 miles away. He never met the buyer, he never met the seller, he never visited the property. Following our proven process, and I'll show you exactly today how he did it, what paperwork he used, step by step how he found it, what he said to the sellers. So if you've got 10 to 15 minutes spare now, then let me share this with you. So I'll show you exactly how he turned £1 into £3,000. £1 is commonly what is used to make a lease option agreement live and valid. In the UK, you have to put down a minimum of £1 down on these agreements. That £1 goes to the seller, and then we were able to control the property and do what we want with it. In this case, we showed our client exactly how to flip it on and sell it for a £3,000 fee. So let me share with you exactly how we did it. So this property is in Doric Road in Liverpool. It's a 3-bedroom terrace. We put £1 down, or £1 was put down by my client, and the price agreed on this property was $99,950, and that was today's market value. We were able to negotiate this, and we showed Octav, our client, how to get this agreed at today's market value for a term of 60 months, which is 5 years. The longer you get them agreed, the better, but 60 months is fine, 5 years, and it's locked in at $99,950. So if the house prices go up, then that price, the option to buy price, stays the same. So you can see where the value is in this. Also, the cash flow is what people are looking for. So the mortgage payment that Gail, the seller, wanted taken care of was £393.89, and the property rents for around about $625. That's what she was getting for it. Is a little bit on the high side, but once it's done up to a good standard, needs a little bit of paint and decorating, then it will rent out for around about that figure. So he made a £3,000 fee for putting this deal together, and that's how simple this deal was. And the numbers, it's so simple. People make out lease options to be so complicated, and it's not. Okay, so let me introduce you to my client, Octav. Great guy, lives 1,800 miles away from Liverpool. Liverpool is an area we helped him select because we feel it's very undervalued right now, and it's a really good place to do lease options. So English is not his first language, and he's from Romania, and but we've showed him to follow our process. It doesn't matter, as long as you follow our proven process, you'll get these deals. He was completely new to lease options, and he now flips these remotely anywhere around the world from just wherever he chooses to be, because you're following our process. You don't need to meet buyers and sellers. It's just an old school way of doing things. What we do now, we leverage the phone and the internet. I'm doing deals out here in Spain, and Octav does deals wherever he's based as well. So it doesn't matter where you're located. You must take action. Obviously, he's an action taker, and he's followed our process. These deals will not land in your lap. You've got to be proactive, go out and get them. So let me show you exactly step by step how Octav got these deals. So one of our marketing methods, you know, to mention one, we do have various channels we have in place to bring motivated sellers in, but one of them that Octav used to generate this deal was through Rightmove. Now you'll see on Rightmove, when properties are added, it will show you the date. Now I've just circled on there, you'll see where the date is. As long as it's 3 months or older, we know from testing this that most sellers become more motivated. So we showed Octav to send our top performing handwritten letter, which gets between 3 and 8% response rate. We've tested this in the industry. We've tested printed, we've tested handwritten. Handwritten, hands down, is the best way. You'll get far better responses. And so just trust us on this. Follow Octav's approach. Octav did this, and this is the exact results he got. Then the phone went off. Gail phoned in, and he followed our fact find method, which is just find out about the seller, 80-20 principle. Get them to talk 80% of the time, you talk 20% of the time, asking a few directional questions. And then once you've got this fact find, you come back to them and you make an offer. Octav, because he's been trained really well, just followed our process, and he sent this letter of intent, which I'm showing you. This is the exact letter of intent he sent which shows how simple the offer was, exactly reflecting what I've showed you on the previous slides before. So what happens then, once you submit the offer, the letter of intent, then it's a case of just putting it and getting that deal over the line. And it's so simple because our paperwork makes it so easy to handle the objections. So what happens is, once you've sent the letter of intent, give them a call back up, check they've got the offer. Usually at that stage it's a case of handling a few objections. So Gail had a list of objections, and because Octav's working with us on our one-to-one training program, he was able to send us the list of questions that he wouldn't have been able to handle on his own, and I answered them. We sent them back to him, and he sent them on to the seller, and we enabled him to then get this deal agreed. So next step was to find a buyer. Now, once he had the deal agreed, then the time's clock's ticking. You've got to find a buyer quickly for these deals. So we actually introduced this deal to one of our clients we found many years ago on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great underused platform for finding in property investors, and it's free. Social media, Facebook works well, YouTube works well, and LinkedIn does as well. So I helped Octav by sending this out to one of my investors. I'll always try and help my clients sell the deals, but there's lots of investors who'll take this deal anyway. But my guy Raj took this offers, and it just shows you the message he sent back saying that he was going to pay a £1,000 reservation fee, and then he paid the rest via the solicitors. And this was a heads of terms. So once the deal's agreed, Raj agreed to take the deal, and we've got the seller that's agreed to do the deal. It's just about putting this one piece of paperwork together with buyer and seller details and the terms of the agreement. And this is the heads of terms that is used. It's a standard piece of paperwork we use, and the additional agreed terms that are in there sometimes get tweaked based on the deal and the conversations. And then what happens then, you got the buyer, the seller, got a reservation fee in the account, which is great. But this deal isn't going to go anywhere without the legal paperwork. So we introduce them to the solicitors. Now you need to use the right solicitors, one to understand lease options, and you need one to represent the buyer, one to represent the seller, and everybody knows where they stand, what they're entering into, and it's got to be done through solicitors. I hear so many horror stories, people doing them without solicitors. You're open to so many complications if you don't use solicitors. People need to know what they're entering into, and lease option solicitors help them understand, and they give them legal consult. We cannot do that. We are facilitators and introducers, and we take a fee, and we're really good at doing what we do, and the solicitors are good at doing what they do. Now, we obviously put timescales on these, make sure they can complete inside 2 weeks. So it took Octav about 2 weeks to get paid. So it's really that simple, and that's the process that he followed. So very simple, send out your marketing, phone call comes in, you do a fact find, and once you've done a fact find, it's then really a case of going away, doing some due diligence, crafting your letter of intent, sending that out, and then following up with a call to say, hey, how did you get on with the offer? What did you think? Do you have any questions? Usually they do, and that's when you come down to handling a few objections, which is great. If you get objections, it's brilliant because it shows that a lot of these sellers are open to doing business with us. So it is a very simple strategy and very overcomplicated, and following a very simple process like mine enables anybody that can learn lease options from the very beginning to go out, do these deals, whether you're building a portfolio with lease options or whether you're trading them on for a fee or a combination of both. You must understand the process, you must understand how they work. Okay, so if you guys are interested in what I've said and you're potentially interested in talking to us about coaching, then go ahead, click on the button below, and you can book a call in with us to see if you're suitable, and if we're a good fit, we might be able to work together and show you how to build a portfolio lease option portfolio, or trade lease options for fees like Octav's done. Now, just ask yourself, how many of those 3K fees do you need right now in your life to replace your income? Because Octav did this part-time, he didn't do it full-time, he was just putting these deals together, and you just need to decide how many of these deals you want to do. Okay, so really simple process. So go ahead, if you fancy having a chat with us about following our proven systems and methods, then go ahead, click below. If not, and you want some more information about or you want to get a copy of our lease options blueprint, then go over to www.portfoliomillionaire.com and request a copy from us there.